Use the horizontal lines for rotational adjustment, and center the handlebar risers in between the vertical lines. Place the top clamp onto the handlebar risers. Install the rear fasteners first. Finger tighten. Then install the two front fasteners and finger tighten. Make any adjustments necessary. Then begin by hand tightening the rear fasteners first, and then hand tighten the front fasteners. Then come back and torque the spec. Be sure to begin at the rear and then move to the front fasteners. Finally, install the rest of the handlebar components.